Welcome to the HR dashboard. Let's walk through the key sections of the dashboard. The HR dashboard includes all similar sections like other employee home, attendance, leave, reimbursement, and onboarding, but it also has extra features like enrollment and hiring to streamline your HR processes. Here's the home section, where you get a fast, clear overview of your entire workforce like accountants, admins, consultant, total number of employee, HRs, and manager. At a glance, you get an overview of your entire workforce, helping you stay updated. Exclusive to HR, the enrollment section allows for the easy enrollment of new employees. You can manage and verify all documentation, ensuring a smooth transition for each new hire. The hiring section is where HR can manage all hiring processes. Everything is right here. In the More section, HR has access to even more tools like the offer letter, wage register, salary summary, office location, and pay structure.